Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to store garlic for months. Let's get to it. Okay, so in order to store garlic, the first thing you need to do is break the garlic out of the garlic bulb. I have a great video on how you can do that in just seconds using a mason jar, so be sure to check that out. Here's the thing, once you open up that garlic bulb, the garlic's only gonna last for a couple weeks. Half that if you're peeling them, right? So you wanna be able to store that garlic for a very, very long time. So here's how you do it. Take the garlic that's been peeled, those cloves of garlic, and submerge them in vinegar, just straight up vinegar. And you're gonna place that vinegar, that whatever container you're using, in the fridge. It'll actually keep the garlic fresh this way for up to 4 months. It's really important that you use vinegar. I know some people like to store their garlic in olive oil. Never do that. I won't get into the specifics, but because of the low acidity in garlic and just how much olive oil removes the oxygen from anything that's around it, it just creates an opportunity for botulism, and that's the last thing that you want. So stored this way, the garlic, once it's in the vinegar, because of the pigments in it, it might actually change color, and it's actually okay. So if the garlic turns a little bit of blue or purple, don't freak out. It's still completely safe to eat. It's just a visual thing, appearance. It's not affecting the taste at all. When you get around to using the garlic, I recommend mincing it. But one way you can just do that is with a microplane, but you're probably gonna wanna mince it. It's gonna be a little bit softened from being stored in the vinegar, but like I said, it's still completely safe to eat. Once you're past the 4-month period, you've actually taken all of the garlic out of that vinegar. Hey, guess what? You can actually use the vinegar too, because now the vinegar is infused with garlic. So perfect for salad dressings or whatever, but don't toss out the vinegar. It's still completely edible. Vinegar lasts forever. So that's how you store garlic for months. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If there's something that you want to see, drop a comment below. And if you like to cook like I do, I release new videos every single week. So please subscribe. See you guys next time. Hi, I'm Jerry James Stone. In today's video, we're gonna talk about how to freeze garlic. Nope, we're not. We're actually not talking about that at all. So close. All you need to do is, I have like a hair, cat hair. Just stuck to my face. I can just feel it right there. Yeah, okay.